Hello to all of you, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you are well. It's me, your English teacher, Waid Rashid from Ru'al Farouk Academy. Our lesson for today is comprehension or reading. So, students should be able to recognize the new words, read the article, and answer some questions. So, bring your student books and be ready. This is our text, and it's a magazine article. So, what's the type of the text? Excellent, it's a magazine article. Before we start reading, let's recognize these sports. Number 1, snowmobiling. Snowmobiling means التزلج على الجليد, but like picture B. Bungee jumping, القفز باستخدام الحبال المطاطة like picture F. BMX biking, ركوب دراجات BMX like picture D. Climbing like picture E, تسلق. Snowboarding, التزلج على الجليد بواسطة الألواح like picture C, الألواح. But skateboarding like picture A, تزلج على الجليد باستخدام الزلاجات. Okay? And now let's start our paragraph or our text. Read the article and match the questions from the box with the paragraphs. We have here 8 questions, 8 أسئلة with 8 paragraphs. Every paragraph has 1 question. And our text is, the title of our text is The X Games. The X Games. Let's start. Paragraph 1. If you like extreme sports, the X Games are for you. It's a competition for all those sports which you won't find at the Olympics. There are 2 different games, one for summer sports and one for winter sports. Extreme sports means الرياضات الخطرة أو الخطيرة, like X Games. أحد أنواع الرياضات الخطيرة X Games. What do you mean by X Games? It's a competition, منافسة for all those sports which you won't find at the Olympics. هي مش من الأولمبيكس Games, الإكس Games. And we have 2 different games. في عنا نوعين. One for summer للصيف and the other for winter sports. Okay? What's the suitable question here? السؤال المناسب for this paragraph is excellent. What are they? إيش هم what are they extreme sports? Okay. Let me ask you some questions. What are the X Games? From paragraph. What are the X Games? Excellent. It's a competition for all those sports. منافسة بين هدول الرياضات كلهم. Question 2. There are 2 different between games. Mention them. Excellent. One for summer sports and one for winter sports. Paragraph 2. The exciting ones in the summer games, it's sports like skateboarding, BMX, biking, and climbing. There has even been bungee jumping. And in the winter games, it's snowboarding, snowmobiling, and extreme skiing. هون فصل لي الرياضات اللي for or الgames for summer and for winter. For summer, skateboarding, BMX, biking and climbing. And for winter أكيد الرياضات اللي إلها دخل في السنو snowboarding, snowmobiling, and extreme skiing. Okay, what's the suitable question for this paragraph? Excellent. What sports do they do? شو الرياضات اللي بيعملوها in summer and in winter? Look at the first question. What are the summer games? What are the summer games? Excellent. Skateboarding, BMX biking, climbing, and bungee jumping. Number 2. What are the winter games? الألعاب المناسبة for winter. Snowboarding, snowmobiling, and extremely skiing. تزلج also. Paragraph 3. Every year, the winter games take place in January or sometimes February, and the summer games usually take place in August. So the suitable question for this paragraph is excellent. How often is it? متى بتصير هاي الرياضات؟ in winter games or winter games take place in January or February. Question number 1. When did the winter games take place? Excellent. In January or sometimes in February. Question 2. When did the summer games take place? Summer games take place in August. Bravo. Paragraph 4. The first X Games took place in Rhode Island in the USA in 1995. Okay, this paragraph tells us when the first X Games happened, when and where. Okay, in 1995 in the USA. So, the suitable question for this paragraph, when did it start? متى بلشت ال X Games? In 1995. Okay, look at question number 1. When did the first X Games take place and where? When and where? It's in 1995 and in Rhode Island in the USA. Okay, question 2 and the last question is, what's the type of the text? Excellent, it's a magazine article or an article. Okay, we have finished our lesson for today. Thank you for your listening and be ready for the next class to continue our text.